Right now system is off. We'll turn it on. If we turn it on, it goes to the cooling, but we don't have a AC unit. We'll just turn on the heating. Okay, heat is on. Let's see downstairs and see how is the furnace doing. Furnace is try to running, but we can just see the humming noise. The humming is more look like coming from the motor, so look like the motor is not turning on. That's why the system is not getting gas and it is not igniting. So we'll check out. Look like there is one capacitor for the motor. We'll see the motor by itself and the capacitor, or we'll open the motor and see if there is something stuck inside. Once that all inspection is done and necessary part change, we'll make a part 2. Thanks for watching.